believe me, with these tips I'm going to be sharing with you in this video today, you're going to get pregnant your next cycle, your next ovulation cycle. Because these tips I'm going to share with you, I used it and it worked for me, and today I have my twins, and I believe that it's going to work for you too when you follow step by step each tips I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. Hi everyone, my name is Clara, your online nurse based on personal and life experiences. Welcome to today's episode. So guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you those tips or those things that can help you get pregnant in your next ovulation. It's no joke, guys. So the first thing you're going to do is do me a favor by running an hormonal test. Yes guys, run the hormonal test, and when the result is out, you take it to a medical personnel to help you interpret and also to guide you on what to do, to make sure that you are okay medically. There is no any obstacle, you are fine. That is the first thing you are going to do, because even during my own time I did the test. It's not a difficult test, it's just to collect your blood sample and run the test. So do me a favor by running an hormone test, so that you will know if your FSH, your LH, all those ovulation hormones, pregnancy hormones, to make sure that everything is in the right state or in the right proportion. So do me a favor by running an hormone test. So the second thing you're going to do is know when you're ovulating. Yes guys, mark your ovulation day. It is very, very important. Having intercourse outside the ovulation is just like just having fun. You're just wasting your time. It's not for pregnancy. If you really want to get pregnant, you need to mark your ovulation. And if you don't know how to calculate your ovulation, I made a video. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description, and also I'm going to be leaving the link up for you to be able to watch the video to know how to calculate accurately your ovulation day. Once you know when you're ovulating, you begin to have intercourse 5 days into that ovulation and also a day after the ovulation. So that is why it's important you know when you're ovulating. Once you know when you're ovulating, congratulations. It's a very good step. Once you know when you're ovulating, you are 2 steps ahead. So please know when you're ovulating. So the next thing you're going to do is have regular intercourse with your partner, especially during your ovulation. That is 5 days into your ovulation. In 5 days, and also in the day of your ovulation and a day after your ovulation, have regular intercourse. That is the mistake that most couples make. They don't have intercourse. You must have tried months, years, and you have not seen results. Try it, keep trying. Don't give up. Don't give up, because without intercourse, where will the miracle start from? Because you need your husband's sperm and also your egg to be able to make babies. So please have regular intercourse, especially during your ovulation time. As I've said, 5 days into ovulation is very, very important. So that is the next thing you're going to do for me. Just have regular intercourse, and by God's grace, you're going to see results. So the next thing you're going to do is, this is for the men, boost your sperm. If your husband is not here, the wife, tell your husband. The partner is supposed to boost their semen, especially when they don't have good verbal semen, that is sperm. They're supposed to boost their semen. Come closer, let me tell you. Let me whisper something in your ear. Manix is a go-to for low sperm counts. Manix. Just go to the chemist or the pharmacy and get that drugs. It helps in low sperm counts. So that is very, very necessary. The next thing you should do is, as a woman, you also need to boost your ovulation. You need to boost your ovulation as a woman, especially when your FSH is low. You need to boost your ovulation, and some of the things you can use to boost your ovulation, I've made a video about it too. I'm going to be leaving the link, but for the sake of this video, you can get ovulation boosters like Ovulum, Ovacare, Clomid, and all of that. They help to boost your ovulation. So another thing you can do also is, when having intercourse with your partner, try to reduce anxiety. Try to relax. Don't be too anxious. Just be relaxed and enjoy the moment. Yes, when you're having intercourse with your partner during your ovulation period or your fertile days, please just relax. Anxiety, stress can disrupt a lot of things. Just be relaxed at it. Just clear your mind, forget about it, just do what you can do. So another thing you should do is, if you have too much fat, please try to shed some weight. Yes, you can do intermittent fasting. Fasting also help a lot to shed some weight and to open your body. I've even heard of people that did fasting and they took in. Yes, it helps to open the body a lot. So please, if you have weight, try to reduce the weight, try to shed weight, and don't be too slim, just be moderate. It also helps a lot. So that's the next thing you should do. Try to be fit, try to be okay physically. Yes, it has its own health benefits. So another thing you do is changing some certain lifestyle like smoking, drinking. Please stay away from it. It also it can be an obstacle. So change some certain lifestyle. Any lifestyle that you know that can affect you, please stay away from it. It's very, very important. So nothing you will do as a woman to get pregnant is pray. If you don't know how to pray, please learn how to pray. Prayer opens doors. It does wonders. It's like a backup in everything you do. Without prayer, you're wasting your time. You need God in everything we do. So you need to pray and fast and seek the face of your Creator. So friends, with all of these tips I've shared, believe me, in your next ovulation, you are going to be pregnant. You're going to see a positive result in that urine strip, home strip. Yes, guys, believe me, by the grace of God, join my faith with yours. Congratulations in advance. I'm going to be ending the video here. If you did enjoy the video, please do not forget to give the video a thumbs up, and also please hit the subscribe button. Support me by hitting the subscribe button. It's totally free. Please, and also drop your comments, your questions in the comment section, and I'll be willing and happy to answer your questions to the best of my knowledge. And also please do not forget to turn on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post any new video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You guys are the best. So guys, I remain your girl Clara. See you in my next video. Bye for now. Bye.